If you've been tempted by the eye-catching discounts and sleek home decor items on Forsunny.shop, you're definitely not alone, but before you hit that Buy Now button, it's worth taking a deeper look at what's really going on behind the scenes. The website presents itself as a modern online store offering a wide range of home decor and lifestyle products, everything from elegant furniture and kitchenware to bathroom accessories, cozy bedding, and festive holiday decorations, all at prices that seem almost too good to be true. And that's exactly where the doubts begin. One of the first red flags is Forsunny.shop's Trustpilot presence, or rather the lack of one. Either there are no reviews at all, or the ones that do exist are vague, suspiciously generic, or overly positive with no real details, which can be a sign of fake feedback. Another concern is the product images used on the site. A reverse image search reveals that many of them appear to be pulled from other well-known platforms, suggesting that Forsunny.shop may not even have the actual products in stock. Add to that the domain age, the site is fairly new, which is a common tactic among scam websites that set up quickly, make some quick sales, and then disappear. What makes matters worse is the lack of transparency. There's little to no information about the company's owners, no verified business address, and no reliable way to reach customer support. When analyzed using multiple scam detection platforms, Forsunny.shop gets flagged as a high-risk site and several warning signs are consistently raised. So while the site may look clean and professional, and the prices may be tempting, there are far too many unanswered questions and warning signs to recommend shopping here with confidence. Proceed with caution because in this case, what looks like a bargain could end up costing you much more.